Hi guys, today we will be talking about natural makeup
and full glam, and we're gonna be doing Maria's makeup, and let's see which one she will like today.
And guess what, at the end you guys are gonna get valuable tips on how to choose the look that fits you best. Is it natural or is it a
full glam? Which one?
So this is the second episode we are actually doing with Laura and her company, and they are the best in Las Vegas when it comes to makeup and hair. And Laura, tell me about your company.
We are Las Vegas based hair makeup company. We are the best. We have more than 1,000 5-star reviews. You can find us on Google, Yelp, Wedding Wire, The Knot. We love what we do and we love making people look beautiful. So today we're gonna do Maria's natural glam and full glam and see which one she likes.
I cannot wait, guys. Let's get to it. So Laura, tell me the process. What are you doing right now?
I put the light color and I am blending it out so there's no harsh lines. Blending is the most important thing when you want a makeup to look natural. So Maria told me she doesn't like her eyebrows thick, but she's got good color in here, and that's gonna give her that soft eyebrow look. So looking at Maria's eyes, a lot of people say, oh, I don't want eyelashes, I'm afraid of them. I tell people it really opens your eyes in camera. And I do recommend them to everybody just because I don't know whoever invented eyelashes. That is the best invention I can say. Because look at one eye, look at the other one. It is night and day. At the beginning when you open your eye, I tell people it feels like an umbrella, like you have something just sitting on your eye, but it doesn't really bother you. Okay, so for the lips, we're gonna go something like a nude color. I am gonna line her lips. And it's very important too, because you're in Vegas, we get this a lot with our clients. They have dry lips. If you can, before your wedding, brush your lips. That's a good recommendation. Also having a scrub. We usually don't do it to our brides because sometimes it leaves such a thin layer. So you want to do it before, like the day before of your wedding. So we're going to do Kylie. This, if you could tell, this one's like a more orange base. This one's more of that pinky nude color. So we're going to go with the pinky nude. Okay, you ready to see it, Maria?
Okay, guys, here we go. Don't show me it.
Don't show? Okay.
3, 2, 1. Da, 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 da. Oh my God, okay. It's beautiful. Oh. I love it.
You love it?
I love it.
Yes,
yeah,
yes. This is a natural look. And this is the thing, Maria. People look at pictures and they show me pictures, but it's a ton of makeup on the pictures.
Right.
So like if you want to look like J-Lo or Kim Kardashian, yes, it does look beautiful in the picture. But if you are not used to this much makeup, this is not Kim K, this is not J-Lo, this is you. This is you. You know, we enhance your beauty. We don't want to copy, you know, other people's Instagram. Sometimes we go into the internet and Google and we say, oh my God, this looks beautiful.
Right, I'm one of those persons, guys. I go on social media, I see Jennifer Lopez, Kim Kardashian, I cannot even say her name.
Kim Kardashian.
Whatever. And I see like the makeup and like I want that, and but I know like it's a lot of makeup, and as a photographer too, most of them are edited. Yep,
exactly.
So you don't see the heaviness on it. So
yes.
This is why I wanted so bad today, and I was talking to you, Laura. Let's show the people the difference between natural and the full glam, so that you guys can see.
So now that we know she loves this natural makeup, we're gonna now transition and go full glam on her.
Oh, bye, look.
We're still gonna use the Anastasia Soft Glam, but we're gonna go with these deep colors, and then I'm gonna put these shimmers on top. Do you wanna start doing it, Marie?
I suck at it. That's one thing I'm not good at. I can
Maria,
take photos,
you
I can
are-
do video, I can do your wedding, whatever you want. Just don't make me do makeup.
You already see the big difference between the smoky and the natural. Maria has never gone full glam, I don't think, right? Ever?
That's what I'm saying, first time, let's go.
Let's do this. 20 years ago when I started, Maria, there was no brushes. We used a sponge with the side.
Oh wow.
That's what we use, and our fingers to blend
Been
it.
doing it for 20 years?
Yes, 20 years.
Almost my age.
Yes, and I look this good. I think you're gonna like it, Maria. Especially because it's not the first time. The first video that we did, it was like, you know, your first shock. If you're not a makeup person and you're like, how do I start? Just start with one thing, you know, lipstick or eyeshadow or mascara. We're going in with an airbrush. Now the difference between regular foundation and airbrush foundation is that airbrush looks flawless. It's like a filter in itself with makeup is how I explain it to our clients. Okay. It lasts up to 10 hours. It is water resistant, so it lasts longer. Now, the difference between water resistance and cry resistance is very different. We do use a seal for the cry resistance, but I tell our brides, cry like a lady. You paid too much for this hair and makeup, you know? Because even when you do cry and you squint, it does like kind of run a little bit. Mm-hmm. Not like all the way because it does last a long time, but it still smudges your makeup a little bit. So what I'm doing right now is cocktailing her skin tone because she is about a 2 and she has a little bit of tan. Look at the big difference between airbrush and regular foundation. Do you feel heavy?
No, it feels like soft.
Soft, exactly. That's what I tell people. It's a very soft finish look. A lot of our celebrities do get airbrush. This is a new trend. Not everybody in Vegas can do airbrush. This is one of our specialties to get airbrush with Las Vegas hair makeup. She has a stained lipstick that won't come off. So even if like she does this and I kiss the groom, it will not transfer to. So you wanna go ahead and use a matte lipstick for your wedding day and then have something to put on top that's moisturized after the ceremony, if you wanted moisture. We do have different size eyelashes that you can pick from. So we have, you know, from little to really big ones. If you're going out at night, you want to go with the really big ones. I'm just going on top with the eyeliner to make sure that I don't see the eyelashes in camera. Now, if it is a dramatic look, I would go more dramatic with the eyebrows, but since Maria doesn't like it, I am not gonna do that to her because guess what? She's still gonna hate the makeup look because all she's gonna see is her eyebrows so thick. So you never want to kind of go against what the client wants, you know? So I'm giving you that smoky look, but without the eyebrows being so dramatic. Now we're still gonna contour. I notice a lot of makeup artists don't put mascara on the eyelashes, and that's a big, I don't like that because in camera, especially if you get close-ups of them kissing or whatever, you could see your eyelash and that eyelashes. That's why you can see that I'm not wearing eyelashes. It looks like mine because you mix both of them together, and then once I put the mascara together, it looks like it's your eyelashes, and then you feel better, you could see better. Okay, now we're gonna go with the lips. Miss Maria, did you wanna do a red or did you wanna do more like a burgundy red?
I like the light red. Yes.
So we're still gonna go dramatic, but in your loving way. This is a Kiko. Look how beautiful that color is.
I don't think I've ever had it.
You will love it. Let me use the
We
matte.
said not experimenting. Experimenting on myself.
Okay, Maria.
Hi guys, the big
Reveal. We went from natural to glam.
and I am so excited to see it. My first time again, guys. Full glam. Let's go. On 3, 2, 1 again. Let me see. Ta-da-da. There we go. Ta! Oh, I love it. I love the lips.
How about the smoky eyes?
Let me see. Hold on. There's so many things to look at. And the eyelashes, actually, they look like I just put like mascara on.
Okay. They don't feel that big.
Oh, look at this. I love it.
You can do this look with a matte color. Like if you had a matte color, it would still look good. But this is what gives it that full glam.
I love the red.
Yes?
I just need my red blouse for tonight and I'm ready for a date night. Oh wow. I mean, I can tell it's a difference.
Right?
But I would never be able to do this by myself ever.
That's why we have a job. That's why we love what we do.
That's why you guys do not make up.
You hire us to do this.
I love it though. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
And I love the eyebrows too. See? That's perfect.
You see
This
how
is
I
my
kept
style.
Yes.
Like, you know, like I have them like very thin, right?
And if I would have put more on your eyebrows, you would have been like, oh no, take that off. So I love it.
If I were to choose between the natural and the glam look, I would probably go with the glam look just because.
Glam?
Yes. Just because if you
Oh,
guys
okay.
have your wedding again and
Yeah.
I'm a photographer too, you do want the makeup to show up in the photos.
So
Like you do.
little go a little bit more than the soft glam
Yes.
for your wedding day.
Yes, I would go with natural. Maybe if I would, you know, like just the everyday today stuff, I would go with the natural stuff. But this, since it's your wedding, and especially I just chose the red because I love the red in photos. Like
Okay.
it just pops out.
It
like,
looks
so
good,
much.
looks
It
so
looks-
amazing,
'cause
yes.
Sometimes they have like the nude
Nudes,
stuff,
yeah.
and it's just like. It
And you
doesn't
can
pop out.
also do this color with a pinky mauve color. It doesn't have to be, so as long as there's some color on your lips, it will still pop. So, because some clients are really afraid of reds and they don't want to do the reds, which is fine. But as long as there's color in there, because the nude really washes you out in pictures. So I don't recommend nude to our brides. Nude is like, you can't see it in pictures. So you want to do something like this where there's color, a mauve color, something in these tones.
Okay.
So you don't have to go red,
Right.
but you can go some color. As long as there's some color in the lips, it shows good in pictures. I am so glad you guys were a part of this soft glam to full glam, and I couldn't believe that Maria chose the full glam.
Yeah, really?
That surprised me. I was like, oh no, she's gonna go with the full glam.
No, I love it. It's very like different. I would tell you that.
Yes.
But I like the different. Like it's
Good,
very-
good.
It shows like it's so perfect. Like my face, guys, it's so perfect. I can
And the
actually-
airbrush looks amazing. Doesn't the airbrush look so like filtered?
Yeah, I have no. I
Yeah.
have no wrinkles.
Yeah.
Where's my wrinkles? I love
It's
it.
so gorgeous. Yeah,
it, yeah.
yeah.
While you were speaking to the camera, she was still like,
Yes, yeah, she was so happy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, because I didn't know what to expect. I
Yeah.
was like, oh my God, what if it's too much?
And then when you're in my chair, you're thinking, oh, she's putting a lot, and it's like, is it gonna look like a clown makeup, or you're thinking that. And I know my clients think that, but
Really?
no, yes, they do think that.
I
But
mean, you're a makeup artist. I would trust you.
I know, but sometimes they're like thinking like, oh, is she gonna make me look pretty? Like, they're very scared of that, moment. But like I tell them, if you see our Instagram pictures, if you see our social media, and you love what you see, you're gonna love what we do too. This is a bridal glam, so that is a very different makeup. She likes that mirror.
All right, guys, so for any brides coming to Las Vegas for your elopement, or for any grooms as well, anybody getting married in Las Vegas or coming here for any events, I would totally recommend you to go with Las Vegas Hair and Makeup. You will not be disappointed. Look at this.
Yes, yes, and we would love to have you in our chair and do your hair and makeup for your special day or your special event. when you're here in Las Vegas.
I would love for you guys to really experience the full experience of this. It's amazing. So let us know in the comments, which look did you like best? Was it the natural one or the full glam? I'm very interested, and probably Laura is very interested.
Yeah, well, I want to know which one you guys like, the full glam or the natural glam. And what will you guys want to see next? Maybe a hair, you know, tips and tricks about hair too.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
What was it? Let us know.
Let us know. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys again the next episode. That's a wrap. Good job.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't miss out that bell notification. What was it? Was it like that?